welcome to another episode of our camping vlogs. And actually this is the last part of our series on this campsite that we visited in Silang Cavite. This is very near the Tagaytay City area. It's a Kalmado Campsite. So we decided to add some voiceover, some commentaries on our experience, since this episode shows much of our activities on our second visit at the campsite. So here you can see that we actually had some side trips and we returned in the afternoon time. And one thing that you can notice is that the road near the place is undergoing repairs, so it's a bit rough. But hopefully sometime in the future it will be better. There's, I think, some sort of road widening that's going on along Zambal Rd. So I'll be giving you some honest reviews, and one of them, just some highlights of this campsite. One of them is that the road again is actually undergoing repairs, but it's easy to find. So this is one of the pros that we can actually share with you. You can actually use Waze or Google Maps to locate the site, or just text the hosts from their Facebook page. They're very responsive naman. Right now, as you can see, we are enjoying our barbecue time. Dami namin pagkain that time. And another thing that we can actually share on this campsite is that it's so near Metro Manila. It's about 2.5 hours drive if you're driving non-stop. Syempre, using our expressways. And we actually had our drop by to get some utensils and some fresh products at Ayala Malls Serin. It took us only 15 to 20 minutes from there. Yan. At pwede ang bata kasi the place is very discreet, so that's another point. It's quiet, peaceful. It's a private property, so walang masyadong sisita sa inyo. And it's generally cool even on daytime. It's filled with trees, so hindi siya mainit, and there's no residential neighbors. Wala kami napansin na iba pang bahay aside from the host and the property owner basically. So meron dyan sa gilid, sa tabi nila, parang it's a greenhouse from the neighboring flower farm. Sometimes at night it's well lighted, pero minsan hindi nila sinisindihan yung ilaw. I don't know why. So it's a good sight to see as well. So at night we took some walk around the whole property. Napansin namin na kasi this is our second visit, unti-unti nilang dinadagdagan yung lighting para mawala yung mga dark areas, especially dun sa mga edges nung woodland nila sa likod. Also, just to add, the hosts, yung owners, are very accommodating, and this place is very much budget friendly. Panalo yung costing nila dito. You can rent items you forgot to bring at a very affordable price, from tents, tables and chairs, to butane stove, awning tarps, drinking water, even electricity. They can have it for you, but of course for a fee. And the fee is very much reasonable. So you can actually ask them ahead para naman makapag-reserve sila sa inyo ng mga items before you arrive. Okay, so I hope you had a good time of reflection during our bonfire activity. So as I said, this is an honest review. So a few cons of the location. The place can get muddy when it rains. So on our first visit, our car was stuck and we were helped also by their staff to be pulled out of the mud. So check the ground first before parking your car outside their driveway. And also, there's a comfort room or toilet, but it's just one for the whole area. It has a good water supply, but it can get crowded when there's a lot of other campers in the place. So baka magkaroon ng pila pagka marami ng bisita. And lastly, since this is a private property, there are no views of the Taal Lake. Pag sinabi siyang Tagaytay, it's not always at the Tagaytay Ridge. So you won't see the sunrise or sunset in a majestic level. It's just a pure, peaceful, private camping space within the woods. So makakaranas ka pa rin naman ng fog, especially in the early morning. Tulad nitong paglalakad ko ngayon. If you just want to disconnect for a moment and to have a breather on the urban life, you can always visit here. Overall, this is an affordable and very accessible getaway when visiting Tagaytay City. Ang highlights nung campsite is napakasimple niya. It feels like you're chilling at the backyard of your grandpa's woodland property. Plus, there's power available for you. So ito yung pinaka-winner sa kanila. You can actually charge up some gadgets and merong signal. You can get mobile data signal from your mobile phones on the campsite, so you can still stay connected kung gusto mong mag-workation or mag-remote work. So this is worth a visit, and I would not hesitate to go back and spend the night whenever I got stuck in Tagaytay traffic kapag nandun ako sa area ng Tagaytay. So that's it. I want to say shout out also to my friends David and Pam who joined with me or with us on this camping. Hope to see you soon again, and stay safe guys. Enjoy the rest of the video, and please don't forget to subscribe.